Sure, here's the corrected version. Have you ever mixed baking soda and cloves? In this short video, we will show you a recipe that you will be delighted with. You will receive multiple benefits, so be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. We will use 3 ingredients that most of you have at home, and if you don't, they are affordable and easily available. First, put 1 spoonful of cloves in a grinder. Then, add 1 spoonful of mint and chop everything. By pulverizing these ingredients, we increase their effect and they release their ingredients into the water faster. Friends, write to us in the comments from where you are watching. Next, in half a liter of hot water, shake the ingredients. Mix well and let it cool a little. Strain through cheesecloth to obtain a clear liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir until completely dissolved. You have now made the perfect mouthwash. Mint, cloves, and baking soda together make an effective mouthwash combination. Mint provides freshness, cloves have antibacterial properties that help fight bacteria in the mouth, while baking soda helps neutralize acidity, clean, and whiten teeth, creating a synergistic effect that maintains oral health. Also, you will never have bad breath again. But that's not all. This liquid also serves as a repellent against ants, mosquitoes, cockroaches, bedbugs, and even mice. Spray it around the house or yard. Thank you for watching us. Greetings.